Happy birthday, happy birthday. Turn up for your birthday. It's your birthday. Ngunit sa huli palagi pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
Baby 네 덕분에 쏟아지는 아이디어 가뭄에 비오던 네가 내게 있어 pressure 조금 더 내 표현 너를 빌려 give you love 모두 너 향해 일러 따뜻함을 느껴 네 옆에서 난 호빵 같은 따끈한
ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ang ingay at ang gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
I would never fall in love again until I found him. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found him. I found you.
I wanna love you for good or for bad. When times get sad and when we fight. And I wanna love you for good or for bad. When you make me mad, 'cause you're the love of my life.
Birthday pa. Salamat po sa mga binibigay mong baon. At sana po marami po kong dumating na birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Tito Atan! Oh. 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Tito Atan! Happy birthday, Tito Atan! Utang. Sabi mo happy birthday, Tito Atan. Di ko lulong eh.
Oh, go.
Happy birthday. Tan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tito Atan.
Happy birthday, Tito Atan.
Happy birthday, ah. Go, Bryce.
Salamat na. Bibigyan mo ito ng 5,000.
Happy birthday, Kuya Atan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Atan. Salamat. Salamat. Ingat ka sa trabaho.
Back to birthday, Jonathan Sumayo Nava is 32 years old, 28 years old.
Lakasan mo.
Aking ninong.
Sa palakas. Isa na lang, bilisan mo na. Happy birthday, Ninong. Happy birthday, Ninong Atan. Isa pa niya. Happy birthday, Ninong. Happy birthday, Ninong. Matutulog ka na. Happy birthday, Ninong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Pinabati kita sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana good health sa inyo ng pamilya mo. Maraming salamat. At tumatag kayo. Happy birthday. Yun lang. Susunod ulit.
Birthday po, Tito Atan.
Kuya Atan.
Happy birthday, Tol.
Happy birthday, Tol.
Okay na.
Ka lang. Magpainom.
Happy birthday, Kuya Atan. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. More birthday to ka. Love you.
Happy 33rd birthday, Boss Atan. We wish you all the best. Take good care of yourself and enjoy your day. Peace out.
Happy 33rd birthday, Nak. We wish you all the best. Sana palagi kang mag-ingat pag-uwi at pagpasok sa iyong trabaho at sa iyong karawan. Sana masaya ka. Happy birthday ulit, Nak. I love you.
Happy birthday, baby ko! I hope you enjoy your day today, and I hope you enjoyed for my little surprise. I wish you good health and more blessings to come, so you are a blessing to others. Always take good care because I care. Continue to be a good man, a caring and loving, responsible to your family and to your son. I love you. Happy birthday. Take care always.